Hello there guys and welcome to another video. In this one we will actually look what to look out for when you're actually buying a cassette that is secondhand. And this is, maybe some people think this is nonsense, but it is something that you should look out for, so I will show you this one now. Okay, so here we are and looking at the tape, and as you can see here, when you are buying secondhand tapes, because today it is not so easy to find new tapes, so what you need to do is look on the secondhand market. And what to look out for in those cases is this: if you find an advertising, and in this case here I have this one. This is Blur's Think Tank, and you see a picture of this one, and they are actually showing the cassette, and the picture is like this. Beware, because you can see here that the tape here has not been reversed. And how long have this tape been exposed in this way? This is not good at all. Why? Because as you can see here, this area of the tape here has been exposed, and you don't even know what has happened to this tape, if it's been put outside. Maybe it's been in a car, in a window, or somewhere and been exposed to heat. And that is not good for the tape. So what you need to do when you are buying a tape, be sure that the tape is actually reversed. One other thing to look out for also when you buy secondhand tape: if they don't show the picture of the tape itself, you must ask for it. And also this area here, be sure that this area here is safe and that is not cracked in some way here. You can ask the seller of the tape that you want a picture of the actual tape itself, because this is the one you are playing most of the time. They will only show you the case and say, wow, this is what I have for sale. And you will ask, does it play good? No issues? No issues at all. And then when you receive the tape, it will have many issues. And when you receive the tape and it looks like this, it's not been reversed, many times the tape has been ruined on some parts. And that is all for this time. So be sure when you buy a new secondhand tape to watch out for this. Okay, so thumbs up, and I'll see you next time again. Thank you.